Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You sign in with super admin credentials and go straight to admin. Google.com. Once there, open Apps, then Google Workspace and choose Google Meet settings. Make sure you select the exact organizational unit you want to change because settings apply by org unit. Don't click around aimlessly, go directly to the Meet section. Once selected, locate the Meeting Access Control setting labeled Quick Access or External Access. This is the control that determines whether guests must be admitted. You now find the Quick Access toggle inside the Meet settings. This controls automatic admission versus manual admit. Switch Quick Access to OFF for the specific organizational unit, so meeting participants from outside will require the host to admit them. Make sure you press Save after changing the toggle, otherwise the change won't apply. Once saved, understand that changes may take some minutes to 24 hours to propagate across accounts, so schedule changes during low-impact windows when possible. You finish by creating a quick test meeting and joining with an account outside your domain to verify the admit flow. Observe that external participants hit a waiting screen and the host receives a join request to admit. That confirms success. If you still see automatic entry, make sure individual user meet settings or calendar meeting options aren't overriding the policy, clear caches, and wait up to 24 hours for changes to propagate across Google services. If needed, recheck the org unit placement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.